at my babies. Look at you guys, little show-offs. Poor fat Jenny can't do it. Come on, Jenny. Keep going. Let's go over here. Let's check this out. Come on. Let's go in here. Come on, inside. There you go. Let's check this out. Leave no road to see this? That's not petrified. That's just wood. So, no need to look at it. I don't know why you're looking at it. Look at that. What's this? What is it? What is it? Look at all these. Not one thing that I would want. All right, let's keep going in here. What is it? Huh. Well, it's definitely a cave. Be careful, please. No, don't go in there. No. Panda, come back up. Panda, come here. Come on, baby. Come on. It'll be hard to get out of there. Come on. Okay, let's go get Daddy. Let's go get Daddy. Oh, fat Jenny, did you get yourself in trouble? Let me get this. I like this one. Come on, babies. I'm coming. Don't worry. Hold on. Right here. Maybe this one? No. Okay, keep going. Thank you for coming back for me. So nice. I can count on you guys. Come on. Thank you. And Jenny, you're adorable. Thank you. Mommy loves you so much.